nsɛm dodoɔ na ɛna abɛpie mu wɔ ɔman mu n'etiefoɔ nea asa abɛpie mu ndra adakora deɛ sɛ w'ani ɛyɛ Kumawood ɛyɛ veteran actor baako a ne din de YOC ɛna wabɔ mmɔden a atoa ne colleague a wɔn wɔ studio de pepper spray akɔgu wɔn so wɔ hɔ n'etiefoɔ nsɛm yi Ghanafoɔ adwene ho dodoɔ no adwene ho a wɔn dwene ho a wɔn nte aseɛ na emu nkyerɛmu nti no me nsa aka yɛn ayɛ brother yɛ ɔbɔfo Michael a yɛne no ɛbɛkyerɛkyerɛ yɛ nsɛm mu etiefoɔ mo fa mo ani ndi ekyi ya bɛma ɔbɔfo ɛdeɛ na ɛkɔ anɔpɛ yi
oh nyame de nkwa kyɛ yatamfo na ebre
sɛ bibi ayɛ fine
nyame ado
yɛde awurade ase na ndra dadeɛ Kumawood ate sɛ mu nsɛmsɛm ayɛ te sɛ nantwibin no aseɛ pɛkyɛ ni wensen na ndra dadeɛ asɛ prove pan na bɛpie mu no then na wɔ kafa ho
me nua ba ma me nchi ahwefo na nkoso ado ma sɛ da ɔmo gibe na ɔmo ehwɛ too much change na nokure wo mu ni sɛ yɛnti aseɛ sɛ baabi a nipa ehyia bia no sɛbi mpɛdiasa na ntimi twitwa mente me ho ase me ni we nya adwen me ni we yaka ɛwɔ hɔ because ɛyɛ nipa su na ɛnyɛ different word ɛyɛ Kumawood ɛyɛ a whole fraternity ɛyɛ abusuakuo ɛdɔm ankorankora na afiri baabi bebree ɛna ɔmo aba abɛka bom sɛ yɛfiri mu korɔ ɛna ɔmo yɛ adwuma baako na sɛbi sɛ me di kan sɛ sɛ yɛyɛ nipa ne deɛ anya no obi bɛfom obi bɛyɛ obi papa obi bɛboa obi saa nneɛma no ɛwɔ hɔ nti bi sɛbi sɛ obi ka sɛ asɛ Kumawood industry no na ntini twitwa yɛnti aseɛ sɛ ɛyɛ one of the human institutions a saa nneɛma no nyinaa esi nti ɛyɛ unfortunate sɛ yɛyɛ nipa no yesu ɛte saa but sɛ yɛka sɛ yɛka Kumawood nsɛm no menua ba ɛyɛ bebrebe because sɛ woba Kumawood mu a sɛbi yɛwɔ frafrafo wom yɛwɔ asantefo wom yɛwɔ dagatefo wom yɛwɔ so many tribes ɛna aka bom ɛna yɛ Kumawood nti so far as yɛ wom ne deɛ obiara wɔ the background a wɔde free ba nti saa nneɛma ne deɛ we should expect sɛ de bi adeɛ bɛkyi biara no obi betimi ato obi aduro obi betimi ayi obi bɔne obi betimi adi ntoro ato obi so saa nneɛma ne deɛ yɛnyintum sɛ yɛyɛ den ebesi
nia ɛyɛ ndra da esi yɛ YOC yɛ no kyɛ sɛ yɛdwen wa yɛnte aseɛ bibi wɔ YOC ho ana mgidi sɛ Ghanafoɔ hwɛ anim den na esi yɛ mgidi sɛ wura mu ma yɛ bɛboa yɛn
actually nsɛm esi yɛ no ɛyɛ unfortunate na me pɛ sɛ obi abɛgyina abɔnten bɛka sɛ nyɛ no korɛ
okay
because me my friend YOC
oh okay
my friend CEO a ɔda ɛyɛ Kumawood TV my friend no
okay
na me friend Kumawood TV run sɛbi ɔno ankasa gye tu mu sɛ nokore asɛm wo yɛsi
Mr. Dakus asɛm na
yes Sam Dakus me friend no ɔgye tu ɛma ɔka sɛ asɛm no ɛwɔ police station na the woman sɛ on sɛ biribi ankɔka papa no nya deɛ sɛ bɛyɛ didi enti yɛnte aseɛ saa one there is one guy bi ɛwɔ studio hɔ a asa day na no mo yɛ program ne nra anopa no according to YOC that guy has been on his nerves with no reason according to YOC ojam guy ne friend ojam a whole lot of stories and or can send me say or no YOC no when ne yere ko a ne yere timi esesa nneema gu ne so kora ma yiwu and that is an insult obia will live with disability bia no who ni say a deformation of character we're deforming no enti if senka YOC should have taken things normal no funny kwan so a you would have seen ojam on sasem na okan because deformation of character say nipa no because say be previous we tietia enti na yire kware ne ko a otimi sisa enema gu ni so ma enema na say say nipa say yɛnti ase sɛ megyina hɔ yi na yɛsɛ meyere asesa nneɛma agu me so ama nneɛma no aboro me so. That tells you say a insult to the highest level to Wayosi. Now Wayosi any Bishop Lumba, I have a whole lot of conversation concerning Onini Mienu and some more Kafano one. No, Wayosi any Bishop Lumba. The issue was between Bishop Lumba and Wayosi. Wayosi sent a warning to Bishop Lumba say, "Nen semwa okafano ho say Wayosi onyai because ehano also a family I will take care of our family also be achieve and adwuma no 7 previous Wayosi onam wono nya kwala me friend of time Wayosi a share senior si shabrabo ase yemubu ani eswa and what mean dispute that fact from him. Wayosi shasiye oni Lord Kenya ya evangelist Lord Kenya and a shasiye that time sikaba crow from any the champs richest corner that time na Wayosi Wayosi you get it na say sebi ye mubu a ye de ni Wayosi personally Wayosi ye can to asem he was one person untimi enyi sade ni mfiri so tutura sem na nyame na ye adom ma ni wasini e ma sini no sabi on se wonam ba bia ne o Wayosi ni ene ma ne be ye calm because uko tutura sem a obi abon se Wayosi akoye tutura sem eno ne ma na ba fom se kenye sa sabi yemu bi wo ho ani ehu Wayosi ye hu from a distance that time Wayosi no ni Caesar mo no Caesar kwa le oba anre ye Wayosi mo ni sum that time say ye ka Kumasi wo mo na tutura sem e wo mo ani so a wo count me Wayosi free and it's a fact.
Okay.
A record that why ya be seen no why regret says ani ma no kra no oyeye now yemfa sini Kumawood enye emfato ene one thing is say let me advise everybody we shouldn't take social media so serious. We shouldn't take social media so serious to the sense sebi enkofo ye too agitative say obi ati obi asem obi ensem bi koso e social media na you see say ye sa adwini free mu a ebema sa pepper spray ya obi be kwako spray egu obi so e wo studio no sa ne man be free. You see Wayosi feel say omu deforming a character sebi a long service duty na why to Ghanaians and the film industry ama na nya ni din Wayosi sebi producer ye nyina ye wo say abu ne de man. He was thinking say Bishop Lumba ono no oba asimi mu eye nre obeto ono panyin mu it at least say ye yi emfi kura firi mu a Wayosi echen Bishop Lumba obetimi kura ye no ni nua keto akora. Now Wayosi a problem is say Bishop Lumba ba ye nche this obeka no ho asem kora na wo de ote ne ho asem afre no because we are a colleague actor. You can call him ebia offer mati say na say ne sitie na wo ma ono so the side of the story but ankoye sa
asemitie wo kasemu ase wakasa bebreba wo kasama Wayosi say ebia ne ne ye doesn't mean say ye ndi agro biem ne ne ya wo ye no say when to me control ne ho a ebia nsensem ya se ne abo boss yi e ma ne tu sa na mo no ne kwan so ano no. You
see the fact is say I'm not defending Wayosi.
Okay.
The actor what they yes no I was trying to bring that fact out.
Okay.
Emma say ye wie asem na ubehunu asem no pumasibre.
Okay.
You see me nka say ye ni agro e wo social media. Ye betime di agro social media. Na say bi de bia meka me say me ka asem a betime didi watem. Atem didi no betime didi enye court asem. Enye police station asem.
Okay.
But say me kwa ka asem a ebema abanka baba be gumi sa de sa asem ne tafi akwa. Minka obey me yira minka.
Okay.
You see eno no nkire say sebi yeni agro yedi agro but agudie bi wo ho a wontumi ne kan wo se wobetimi de wo maame sebi no fo adi agro ba wo papa be ma de wotimi fa ni agro agro be expensive eti e wo se ye hunu ye level ye hunu ba bi a yagudie no ye di ko wayosi ebufuo nyina ne se you see one thing is say oni Bishop Lumba e kasa ye masumdue bai that is one triggering part a woman no wayosi nso e pani Bishop Lumba kan ho asem wa frɛ no oni na kasa o ma so bo mo grievances now story no e ba e wo studio ho no omo ka no na wayosi feel say anka ensem oni Bishop Lumba aka anka ojam enso from the other side no enti ase nanka onhunu kwan obefa so a obeka nsem bi afa no but anko basa
okay
ama atemdidie eba enti wantimi ahye no so na wantimi ahye no so no eno de anyame no nukurani I can say Wayosi didn't do it well wanya de at all say ube go to the extent say ube free fee wa plan be free fee the old planning enso no it was a weapon
serious
pepper spray
nipa no
yes obetimi na betimi and owie you know one thing ade ba ko a me bitie mu no esa ye me wanwan ne say after say okọ e di pepper spray ni kogu o mani no de na o target no de ne saka no but wo mu a o mu na makira ebi ko o mani ema Diane Mooney yes he later called them no Paul Machel say he is apologizing on womo no aka wa akira sabi pepper spray no ebi ekogu womo so yenti ase say the harm was already been caused na unfortunate say sa na ma we ni nyina aba na me no one thing me na me nti ase ni say a whole TV station like that no money any security bia ewo ho because at least they could have resist Wayosi from entering the studio.
Say Abia or approach as or Babe studio.
No, they should know say as at that time asem na no more kano. Na Wayosi asem.
Oh okay.
Yes. They should have known say asem na no more kano. Wayosi asem. So why would they allow him to enter? Me that is one thing I mean.
Oh, okay.
Sebi, o say wo ye adwuma e wo say wo nya bambo bi. E na studio ho no. O wo say be bia me gina ha. Na bia Wayosi ba me so straight. Because say me kwa me gina wa high opener. Me nim say security no e loose no. I will know how to protect myself. But when they were in a studio, a close studio. And I'm come out TV minimum hopa.
Okay.
Before I will be round, you climb a stairs.
Okay. That means the people one come the best prevent
Sure. It's den kwana. Omo ntimi anhwe an protect omo ma. Wayosi timi west studio. E dey pepper spray kokugu omo.
Etumu ni say no kra no either say security and omo ni bi careless bi and also be nim ho bi.
Oh, you see, the woman say, I believe, say, they were thinking, say, they are doing their normal studio work, sir. The few say, oh, said I no problem.
Okay.
But, sweetheart, let me tell you, even when you are feeding the orphanage, Oma orphans, I presume, say, what you probably know, yes, I know. It's Uma Sebi, a junket, and yet, no be say Jichi or Hewachi.
No correct.
And should take a papa and kawaii.
Papa.
Good, but nipa your mentality. Who ye be no adjun, who ye be no adjun. And that is the cause of that.
Okay.
Na me no, I am a yase, Sanya Manisi. May messi offer. Say, Bia Muno, do or a senior colleague. Nobody will hear this, I'll be palatable.
Okay.
I don't just say, Sebi, Wayosi enka assembly emfa will be one now near Bibintia will be.
Okay.
But he is living.
Okay.
It's at least he should have sent a warning to Ebia Ujam. Say Ujam, Mimi a penny, over 4 Sebi, and Yamiso. And now somebody like Wayosi, se wo pro jam number e 2 seconds wobetimi anya wo jam number 2 seconds afre na kan se wo jam this and this and this and this and this me the programs are me here sometimes I get somebody obey me no afre me obofo nipa so me sia afre me say wo kan sem say na bia me soso ma che me other side of the story ya che nipa no na we move on. You see I don't just say adwuma na ye no se bi yenti obi na so me nkofo bebre di matam wo mu fie me nte me de che wo mo etian ade na mimi mom de obedi di matam me fa nche what you say ana say mimi di watam am fa nche kofo bebre hwe me video yes kofo bebre hwe me video no me di matam wo mu fie mimi nkasa we di matam wo fie fine mante me di achew it is also tise kire bi me di watam a na de aso ho
na yenko ni say
yo me kwa fa so ho me ko anu tu
yenko ni say why you see a ne ne ya wade ne di ebe say ne career ebe tarnish ne image ana say despite where you to buy we di no ense hwe no
ye no enim why you see die sa die we oye e the least of it me na me nim why you see we kwa ye ni kituom pepper spray die
just what spray wom
what they free no I'm telling you
just anko betumi ekun no betumi aye ni bibia ekum die mitimi nka se why you see betumi ekun but obetumi ama na kadem yes why you see betumi ama ojama kadem ye no ayenim no but ene no wasesa no ama ne pepper spray no wasesa no ama ne pepper spray I'm telling you way embrace ni Ghana way why you see be fa ni wedi eno na mpese mi se embrace bia ni ndi se wuji obi site free nenu like
me ni samda kuskasa ya no samda kuskacha me so report to the police station police you know ebe shasi ya investigation I think say probably like today ebia Wayosi will be invited to the police station na or na no asem akọ but sansem we ni nyina no I believe say emra no if say enye say o mekwa kwotena sia dialogue say because Samda Kusum or ye panyin e Kumawudi ni TV station Kumawudi TV yes Samda Kusum ono no o ye nipa ope dialoguing asema bakora no ko ye panyin on pese obi benya asem ne ade but you see me na me ne kasa no ka chem say the entire man report asem to the police me say sebi oni nkrofo na ye adwuma and some nkrofo no casualties aba officially you need to report here na ehun say these are some of the casualties akoso ene wo adwuma well leave the matter to the police the police be chi Wayosi you some of them go court to so be do eno there he has done his best as a CEO but it's up to the police to act on what they have reported and now yentia say police will do investigation into that it requires allegation near keke say
they are acting on it
yes but the truth of the matter is say Wayosi poured that pepper spray into the face of
and he has to be punished.
Punishment there it won't come from me because
but why would she way do they need to punish him? So okay say oye actanti papa nimpe eye asemsem wo eye ne nkrofo ne omo ye adwumanti does he need to go scot free?
Scot free dear me ni say obetimi akọ scot free but the police will take the matter as it is. Police there you knew where you start where you say they treat every matter accordingly. It's I believe say the matter in city it will be treated accordingly.
Okay, me da se pa na se si a won se Kumawood and na say ochina say you can say Lorraine any Kwakumenu issue ejako just say all the time na say beef me pese obeja den na office on betumi aye ma Kumawood nsem dodo na etu betwa
the tiene say yentia say ensem a ekoso no eye nipa institution se me obi ka chem se obofo opema sebi mimi mpedua de ya me be ma ne de oba na mepem it means asem no ka enha me what you say but say bia obeka say obofo eye gay eno de menim say against the moral rights and me name am believe eno de ebe ha me but say bi entokwa yi mema mienu ekon we ye say no eno de see that me say normal
she ni won betumi ayafa ho sa na pesa wo
oh utie minim ye wo be timi ayafa ho minim because say ni pesu yes me kuma wuda na me wo mu no me tietia nkofo bebre na so me tietia bebre be sine kwam na so tietia e chena kwam tie obi na so en sisi e krai de me ye kura me tie obi na so yes enti obi e okwan obefa so a obe handle issues and I say obe related to issues then tia siesa na ehunu say the situation no ye nipa eye de ya obi be fum obi but why you see the end there he went overboard.
Yo. Mini abe ma me da se why you see the any there oko overboard. Say na esitie bia e nipa. Nanso ye wa akoma ye betumi ekoye wo ahoode ye betumi control yakoma. Si ye bufu a misusu say eye me bufu ni ma ye take immediate action. Mo ye nto ye bo na ye nka no se ne ye be ya ye be kan wie no na ya asem aye de enkoba se ya asem ye de nanso na ya koya na asem no chese asa dane aba betia etie for discussion ye koso we de wasomo a watibi edin na won so wo e ka fa bo mo de eja wadwen kire to your comment section subscribe to Tuma GH everyday kese se na jumedi be bia na won so saka bi no etumi a kire wadwen like na share efa promote eye channel media any Mexico aha na mdi mo be se enya me pa ye be san asia update bi e be ban so mesa e de ababesom